Something is leaking. The older I get, the less I see. Maybe the less I want to see. Oh, frack. Frackity frack. I'm hating this project so far. I am definitely making progress. Go away. Stop it. This is hard. This is the project from hell. It looks so pretty. I better love it at the end. It's driving me nuts. Today, I am going to replace my kitchen sink faucet. Some time ago, I took I think it's called aerator or something like that. I took it off thinking that I could put a water filter in it, but I didn't do my research and I couldn't do it. And now whenever I try to use the faucet, the water splashes everywhere. So I went online and got a new faucet. Another thing that I never done, but I'm gonna do research and we'll do it myself. Everything I have heard is not that complicated, so we shall see. Anyway, let me show you. This is the new faucet. I'm excited. I'm excited about it, especially if it works. Will I be able to do it? It's pretty hot right now, so with this little thing so my hair is not on the way, and I'm ready to go. One of the most important parts when upgrading your RV faucet with a residential faucet is to use this part. It is an adapter that connects from 3/8 to 1/2 inch. The residential faucet comes with a 3/8 connector, but the RV faucet is a 1/2 inch. So this is the proper adapter to complete the job. I'm in a very tight space, and I believe that I have to remove this door first. Let me see what's going on. Oh yeah, I have to do that first. Remember to turn off your water pump and let whatever water is left in the hose of the plumbing, let it just run. I'm gonna try to save that water for my dishes. Whoop, that was it. There's no more. Step 1. Take off the mounting nut.
Mounting nut number 4. 1, 2. Up, 1, 2.
I just removed the door and it wasn't easy. I had to look it up how to remove it. Alright, I'm ready to do this. Is this thing? Yeah, it is on. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so aside from being super dark, it's way up there. Oh my gosh, I don't know that I'm gonna be able to do this one and show you at the same time. I'm in a hard spot right now. I don't know if you can see, there are the hot and cold water lines. It's way over there, and that's what I need to get to. Oh, I don't know about this one. I want to be able to do it and show you so we can learn together, but I don't know if I can do that. Okay, I got a light, and now, and I also have a flashlight, so now we can see what I need to do. I need to get there. I'm really not sure how I'm gonna get up there. Okay, I think I'm just gonna start removing the water lines. I already flashed whatever was left, so make sure that you do that. Now I'm gonna loosen up the water lines, and then I'm going to remove that gold metal piece that we see in the middle, and which is the faucet. Let's see how difficult that is. I'm gonna get a wrench. This is hard. This is not easy. I don't even know that I can get to it. What the heck? I don't even see it. I don't know, guys. I don't know. This is frustrating. So I'm thinking that I need to remove this panel. There's no way that I can get to those lines through this opening. So I'm thinking of removing this It's only staple there, so I can do that. I can put it back. I'm gonna try that. I don't know how it's gonna go, but I'm gonna try. It's coming off. Oh, okay, here we go. Okay, this is so flimsy. Okay. Whew. Oh, yes. I'm so glad I did that. Okay. All right, this is the cold water. Okay, let's see my luck with it. I'm hating this project so far. It's so difficult to get to it. I better love it at the end. It's driving me nuts. I was able to disconnect the water lines, but now I have to work on removing the faucet. And it's so difficult. I don't think the task itself, like switching the faucet, is the difficult part. It's accessing the difficult part. And then I get a tool there and it falls, and then it's hard to find it. Whew. I am definitely making progress, but I'm not having fun. It's coming. I'm doing it just by touch. I'm not even looking at it. Almost there. Oh, frack. Frackity frack. Freaking thing still not out. Come on. Don't be a stinker. Almost out. Come on. Give me a break, okay? Oh. And it's hot. Okay. Woo! Oh, you're never going back. Okay, let's see what happens when I come out here. And I don't want to wash my dishes yet because I want to do it with the new faucet. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. Okay, let's see what happens when I lift this. Okay. Are you coming out? Oh, yes, you're coming out. Okay. Now I have a big hole that I need to clean. And figure out the rest. Okay, it would be nice to have someone to help me right here. But I don't, so probably like that. And now let's stick it under, finishing it up. Oh! I'm recording, okay? I'm making a video. Go away. Stop it. This is hard. This is the project from hell. Sorry. I'm almost done with my sink. No, so fast. Working under the sink has been a huge nightmare. I keep calling this project the project of hell. Anyway, I attempted to install a new faucet in the kitchen and I moved everything, and at the end the thing didn't work. I think the water lines were for another country dimensions because it just didn't work for me. So I ordered a new one and it has just arrived. These instructions already look much better than the other one that I have ordered before. It looks so pretty. Okay, so these are the water lines, and I can tell right away that these may be the right ones. I still have the adapter that I bought at Home Depot that everybody recommends. So these are the right adapters, and I'll know right away. Yes, 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 these are the right ones. Oh, I'm excited, so excited. You guys don't know, it has been a huge, huge nightmare. Okay, so this new faucet, what I really like about it, it has four settings. In one of the settings is mist. So I think with the purpose of saving water, I may just want to keep it on the mist setting all of the time. It is so pretty. This hose, Faucet hose, extends more than the other one did. So I am going to get ready to do this one because I have been without water for like 2 or 3 days now. This old lady is getting blind. The older I get, the less I see. Maybe the less I want to see. Okay, okay, okay. I'm gonna turn on the water. I'm so looking forward to this. I'm afraid that it's gonna splash everywhere. Okay. Oh, something is leaking. What is leaking? What is leaking? What is leaking? This is leaking. Are they both leaking already? Really? Oh my gosh. I'm going to figure this one out. Okay, so I have some extra parts, and this connector has this little rubber, I don't know what they call rubber parts. So what I did, I put it in here, put in the connector, and now on this side, I'm going to add some plumber's tape and hope that this will help. We shall see. And the instructions said to not over tighten, not over tighten or over tight. You know what I mean. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one now. And now that I'm awake from that horrible nightmare, I can finally show you how my new beautiful faucet works. I am very excited that I may be able to wash my hair here. I couldn't do that before. Just keep in mind that the biggest challenge for me was because of the configuration of my kitchen that made it nearly impossible for me to have a decent access to the water lines. So for you it may be different because the actual part of using a residential faucet for an RV application is not really a big deal. Just make sure that you have the proper adapter that I share in this video. But other than that, that part was not the difficult part. It was just accessing. All of that has prompted a big change that I want to share with you in the next video. So please come back for that. I hope it's not any more of nightmares. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Thank you. Ciao.